everyone, it's my pal. Today I'm in Trofarth in Conwy County. Now, sometimes I come across place names and for the life of me, no matter how much research I do, here, check out this church, no matter how much research I do, I can't find the meaning of a place name. And it's usually quite a small village, like Trofarth, which is in quite in the south of Conwy County. It's quite remote. And I can't find the place name for it. Now, Trofarth, there's some bits I can potentially make out. Trov does look a lot like a Trev, like a town, but I've never seen Trov as a form of Trev. I've seen Tre, I've seen Dre, I've seen all sorts of things, but not Trov. And Arth would then be a bear, right? The town of the bear, but it doesn't look right with Trov. Now, with another one, this Tro is usually to turn, so maybe like turning, and Varth could be a soft mutation of Barth, which is an old word for a floor, so a turning floor, but I don't know what one of those is, and I can't find any reference to it in any of the dictionaries. So, once again asking for your help instead of pretending to know what I'm talking about. If anyone knows what Trofarth means, drop me a message, let me know in the comments, and hey, if you live in the area, let's do a video together. Deal. Subscribe for more. Here you are, look at that. To the glory of God and in memory of Gwendolyn Broderick, Coed Coch, 1936.